Sean, put a towel on. You're laying around on your desk and playing with all your stuff. Okay, so get off your table, stand up. I need for those of you at home to get out your clock, please, if you have one, which I hope you do by now. I sent home little paper clocks with my kids, so Jacob and Brooklyn. Okay, if you have an erase board, just watch my clock. Whoops, I have my clock upside down. So my classes have their clock out also. And you can stand up behind your table and put your clock right flat on the table in front of you. If you're at home and you're tired, you can stand up and put your clock down in front of you. If you don't have a clock, just watch this. Oh, can you pull those tools up?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So remember we said we shared some tools with you? Raise your hand if you went on this past week and practiced time. Practice your time slides. Evie did. I saw Harper did. Okay, and a few others did. Good. Because it's kind of a hard concept. So if you don't understand it, you really need to go back and with a parent and figure out the 5 minutes, the quarter past, quarter till, and all that. We ready? Okay. So today we're going to talk about something so easy. It's called to the minute. So we know that each one of these numbers counts as what? Put it in your head. Throw it.
5
To the 5 minutes. Hands out of your pockets. Please. Thank you. Chin it so I know you're answering me. Thank you. If you're online, you can unmute if it's quiet in your area. And I do not need to see your clock right now. Layla, put it flat down, please. Flat down, Layla. Okay, so each one of these counts as 5 minutes. We're going to do a review. So we know it is the 9 o'clock hour right now. Look at our clock in the classroom. Look at your clock at home. Look at your little digital clock on your computer. Put it in your head what time it says. And throw it.
9 o'clock.
No, not 9 o'clock. It says 9:10 on mine, on my digital clock. Those of you at home can unmute so you can help me. So it's 10 after 9. It's not quite quarter past, right? It's definitely not half past 9 yet. But we also can say it is how many minutes after 9? 5?
10.
It's 10 minutes after 9, and that's real time. So right now, this is what time it is. Curtis?
In the clock,
Yes?
there's like a little hand that's always moving.
Yep. Some clocks have 3 hands. And that hand is called, if you know what it is, put it in your head and tell me.
Second hand.
It is the second. It counts the seconds. Let's see. When this hand's moving to that little itty bitty line right there to the next minute, so that'll be 11 minutes. There's 60 seconds between there. So that third second hand counts to 60 as it goes all the way around the clock. When it gets all the way around and back up to the what number? 12. That means it's been 1 minute. And that's what we're going to talk about today, the minutes. So sometimes you see on your digital clock, like right now, if you have a digital clock, it says it is 9:11 a.m. So that means 9:11 in the morning. A.m. means morning. So we can't say it's 9:15 anymore. We can't count by fives when it does that. So now we have to learn that we actually have to also learn the minutes. Now sometimes does it matter if you're a minute late or a minute early? You know what I mean? Sometimes it doesn't matter. So we say, oh, stand up off your desk. It's about 10 after 9 because it is about 10 after 9. If it's 9:11, it's about 5:10 after. If it's 13 after, if it's 9:13, then it's closer to what number?
A quarter.
Quarter after. Good, Curtis, or 9:15. So you just kind of say what it's closer to. So when you're looking at a digital clock, Jaden Wilson, it always shows minutes. Sit up, stand up. Jaden Wilson, stand up. Good, stand up. Don't be lazy. Okay, so on a digital clock, you definitely see minutes, right? But we also need to know minutes on an analog clock like this. So let's go back to our slideshow. And here is the 5 minutes, right? We already have practiced that. We have the hour hand and the minute hand. And then if it's that third one, what's it called? The second hand. Okay, so now we're going to talk about time to the minute, and we can go to the next slide. Okay, so get your erase board. Quick. Everybody get their erase board. And we're going to take 1 second to review. You can sit down. And I'm only going to give you a few seconds to write it down, like 5 seconds. I want you to write down the time on this clock. Remember, the red short hour hand is the first number you write. Write it down on your board. What time is it? What time is it? Burr? I'm a parrot. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me. Whoa, Abby. Whoa. Okay, what does your time start with? 11. So we have 11, and then we count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15. So it's 11:15. Show me your board. 11. No, you got your 1 and your 5 mixed up. 11, 1, 5. All right, erase. We're gonna play quick time. Ready? Let's go. Let's go, Miss Stuber.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go. All right, now it's getting a little tricky. You've got to write the number that it's between. Right? There's your little hand, or your hour hand. It's between the 12 and the 1. So is it 1 o'clock yet? No. So it's still the 12 o'clock hour. And then you have to count by 5s to give me the minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and show me. No, you need to pay attention. Okay, what's your first number? Count by 5s.
Wow.
You got to get the minutes. Yep, the first number is still the 12 o'clock hour. And then we have to count by 5s. Ready? Help me.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Yes, it's 12:25. Or we can say 25 after 12. All right, if you got it right, give yourself a yee-haw. All right, erase. And, oh my, here's where it gets tricky. Put your erase board down, and stick your nose in the air. Perfect. Now we're looking at minutes. So it is, the hour hand is always first. You always look at which hand first. Tall or short? Short. The short hand is the first hand you look at to write. So this hour hand is pointing between 2 numbers. It's ticking past a little. But has it gotten to the 6 yet?
No.
Then you don't write the 6. Is that on? Matthew, is that on up there? The recording. So it can't be a 6 because it's not gotten there yet. If you're going out to eat to a restaurant and you're almost there, are you there yet? No. So if it's going halfway around the clock but you're not there yet, are you there? No. So it's still the 5 o'clock hour, Emma, right? And then we count by 5s. Ready? 5, 15. Whoop. Now it's a little past 15. So this little line is going to be 16. So it is, on a digital clock, it would say 5:16. All right, erase. And I'm going to let you try one. Let's skip. Here's a good one. Okay. I want you to do this one by yourself. What hand do you look at first? The hour hand. Which one is the hour? shorthand? Is it between a 12 and a 1?
Yes.
Has it gotten to the 1 yet?
No.
So it's still what hour? Yes, so write that down first thing. If I don't see you writing, I'm going to just lay on the floor, kick my feet, and cry. All right, so let's do it. I didn't ask for it to see it yet. Now, look at the minute hand. You got to start up here, and you sure don't want to count by each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't want to do that. Take forever. Count by fives till you get to that one, and we know what is it here? 20. Then you got to count the little lines. 20, 20, 20, 20. So what are you going to write?
12:24.
Yay! I'm not so bad at teaching math. I can do this. 12, 24. And if you got to be somewhere at 12:30, you better hurry up, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Because you have 6 minutes to get there. How did I get 6 minutes? Trayvon, you're driving me nuts back up there, boy. Get it? Okay. So if it's 12:24 now, and I have to be somewhere at 12:30, look at me. How many minutes do I have to get there? Raise your hand if you know. Grayson.
12.
Not 12. Trayvon.
6.
Well, how did you get 6? You're correct. How did you get 6 minutes? Your marker should be on, the lid should be on your marker now.
Because 4 plus 6 is 10 and
Well, we can't add it together, but we do count what?
up.
We count up. So put 12:24 in your head. Everybody on line 2. Say 12:24,
12:24.
12:25.
12:25.
Do it with me. 12:26, 12:27, 12:28, 12:29, 12:30. 6 minutes to get there. Just like we're counting up with numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 blah. Same thing. Same thing with time. No difference. So don't make it harder than it is. Erase. Okay, I'm gonna let you do the ice, oh, that's a cupcake. Yum. Okay, so you're gonna do this one all on your own. Be careful. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds in my brain to write this time down. Go. Emma, don't put your chair, you're gonna bust your head, chin up. You have it written down?
Check that again.
Pardon?
Tell Avery to check it again.
Avery, check it again, honey. When you're done, show me. You can move anyway. Okay, has it gotten to the 8 o'clock hour yet? No, it's between 7 and 8, so you always go to the smaller number. It is not 8 o'clock yet, so it cannot have an 8 right there. Okay, I see correct. Yep, correct, erase, correct, correct, nope, fix, Abby, yep, 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 yep. See on here. Grayson, fix it. You got the hour correct. No, Paisley, try again. Good, Avery. Good. What? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Does the bright links go out? No? Move the mouse.
Power's still on.
Peter, what's it on?
If the power is on.
I don't know which one that is.
That's
Searching for source.
That's
Is that-
the one.
Go searching.
Batteries can't die.
Do that one, yeah.
And also it's plugged into the wall.
I usually have to turn the thing off and on again, so we'll just call it quits. Turn that on. And I can do everything by hand. Okay. The answer was 7:28. Can you turn the light on for me?
Yes, ma'am.
7:28 because it was between the 7 and the 8. It was between the 5 and the 6. So when you got to the 5, what time was it? 7:25, and then you count each little line as one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Erase that. We're gonna see if we can boot it back up. Now I want you to write this time down. I go to school at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. Write a.m. or p.m. on your board. I go to school at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. Write it down. Write a.m. or p.m. Don't let other people look at your board if you show it too early. So you keep it a secret till I say show me. Unless you're online. They can't see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, show me. Ready, 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 ready. Awesome. You should have AM on your board. Good. Erase. Oh boy, this is not going to be good.
What in the world?
I do not know.
The power's on.
Yeah.
That thing's
No, the internet's fine because we're all on.
Yeah,
Well, we might be going to Miss Duber's class room tomorrow.
Yay!
They're both off on here. I don't know why.
It's not overheating. Okay, well, your homework, we're gonna have to do it by, what slide is the homework?
It's the only one on there.
Okay, what's it the other one? Okay. And does it say second grade? Okay, first and second, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So listen up. It says second grade homework on, put your markers away. Eyes on me, eyes on me, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. Make a face. Thank you. Didn't say make a noise. All right, so eyes are on me. Jaden, we know you're sleeping, buddy. Just turn your thing back on.
No, he's playing on the iPad when he goes to a different window.
Oh, we can't be playing around, dude. I won't come to your house, man. Bam, bam, bam. Let me see Jaden. Okay, so you have one sheet on the Google Classroom tonight. And it says second grade. It's for first grade as well. First and second grade. It's like 6 or 8 little problems. All you have to do is write the time. It's going to be in minutes. Okay? So be careful and get your parents to check it before you submit. And if you're having problem with time, you need to let me know or Miss Stuber know that you need a little more practice. Have your parents send a dojo or you send us a message or whatever. It's 9:30 now. You have a lot to do. You don't have a lot to do, but you have to do your grammar tonight, read that, listen to that story again, and do the math. I'm going to do phonics dance this week, and I'm going to introduce 2 new sounds. So be practicing that too, okay? And it's just for fun this week. Don't forget to go to Padlet and make some comments. I can't wait to read them. Okay, Miss Stuber's class, hang on. My class, I'll see you tomorrow. No, Wednesday's tomorrow. I'll see you Thursday.
Okay.
And make sure to get your work done.
My boys and girls do not hang up.
Can I leave the meeting?